Today is the day. Today I'm going to dye my hair and I am very excited about it. I am very excited about it. As you can see, I am very blonde. I mean, it's not only blonde, it's also like pink and brown and yellow. And maybe even a little bit of green. I feel like it's the right color to dye. I might end up having like a little bit of like a splotchy hairdo at the end, but nothing too bad is gonna happen, I think. I mean, I feel like this is a pretty good base. I don't know why I did that. So in my last video, I asked you what color I should dye my hair, and a lot of you actually said the same type of colors. Because apparently, y'all really want me to dye my hair either green or blue, which also are the two most difficult colors to get out of your hair. So, you really just want to see the world burn, don't you? But since it's Christmas time, I feel like I have to grant your wishes. So today I am going to dye my hair blue! Very excited about it. I kind of want to dye green too. But I feel like if I go blue now, then I can do green next, you know, because those are very similar colors. So I think that's gonna be a plan, you know. So for now, gonna dye my hair blue. So let me put on my dyeing equipment and let's get started. I haven't had the time to wash this shirt yet because I've been doing so much to my hair in the last week. But now it like still smells like that god-awful color remover. Like it smells like sewage water. So for the hair color, I want to go dark but bright because I'm really into that. So for the hair dye, I'm going to use the Lime Crime Mystic hair dye. This is the bottle. Spin the bottle, spin the fucking bottle. Look how pretty it is. Ooh, the lime crime hair dye is actually... Ow! What? Oh my god. Why did that hurt so much? What the fuck? Anyways, what I was saying. The lime crime hair dyes fade pretty fast, but that is what I like. I change my hair so often that I really don't want hair dyes that like stay in my hair for months, because then it's gonna be more difficult for me to take it out. So I'm going to use this, and I want it to be a little bit more special today. So I'm going to use dark blue on like the lower layer of my hair. And then I'm going to mix it with like a diluter to get a lighter blue to put on top of my head. You know, so I got like two colors. I think this is gonna be cute. So that's what we're going to do today. Very excited. There's one small problem though. I strained a muscle in my right arm. And yeah, I am right-handed. So I can't really move it that well anymore. Look, I can show you what It's so dumb. Like, like with this arm I can just do this. But I can't do that with this arm. It's like oh my god, I don't know why it's so hard. Maybe I should just do some like stretching exercises, because I really need both arms, and I especially need my right arm to do this. Let me section my hair off. Let's see if I can make it happen. My hair is so healthy. Look how it's just standing up. But okay, I sectioned off my hair. Can you see it? This is the section. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I hope it's even. I mean, so far that I could see, it was pretty even, but obviously I do not have the best view. But that's fine. I think it's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be okay. So I got the hair dye over here. It's looking very pretty. Very pretty, very dark, very blue. Oh, I actually can't wait to dye my hair this color. Here Zoe! Go! Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, it is so pretty! Look at it. Oh my god, it's so blue. I love it. I have to be very careful around here. Ow, my arm hurts. Let me put some on the back of my hair. Can you see that? Oh my god, this hurts my arm. I can't reach it. Help, I can't reach it. Wait, maybe if I hold like the end of the brush. Oh no. Oh god. So flippity floppity difficult. Ah! Blue, 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 blue. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. I love it when white hair gets dyed. It's like the best feeling ever. Ah! Oh my god. I almost dropped my hair dye. So let's now get started on my bangs. Okay, wait. Yeah, baby! So much hair dye on my forehead, but that's okay. I should really get like a smaller brush. Because this is kind of difficult. Okay, I got the dark blue on all of my hair. And now I'm going to do this little palm tree at the top, which is looking very cute right now. I'm just going to get some of the diluter. Beautiful. Going to pour that in the bowl and then just mix some blue in there. So this is the color that I have. It's very blue. I didn't add any blue to the bowl, by the way. I just mixed the diluter with all like the leftover blue that was still in there. I think it could work, right? I mean, if it doesn't work, I can just put the dark blue on top of it. You know, it's not gonna be that big of a deal. Let's do it! I think it works. Oh! I think this blue might be a little bit too light because you can see all like the you can see how uneven my hair was to begin with. Which I kind of wanted to hide, but okay. Hey! My hair is covered. So far, I know at least. So I'm just gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it off. And then we can see the end result. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah. I think it's gonna be pretty nice, okay? I got a lot of confidence today that it's gonna turn out great. So let me first show you all what it looks like right now. And then in 30 minutes, I'll show you the end. Does it look good at the back of my head? Because once again, I do not know. Well, see you in 30 minutes. Bye bye! I don't think you're all ready for this hair color. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my my god. Yeah, I'm standing in the sun because people on the internet always look fabulous when they're like in the sun. But I don't know if it works on me. Do I look good? I feel like I just look like see-through. Let me just get in front of my normal wall. I think that's better. Ah! I'm sorry. I'm so excited. Look how cute my hair is. Oh my god. I love it so much. Yeah, this is the end result of my beautiful hair adventure of the last, I think, week. I did this all in 1 week. Oh my god, my poor hair. Let me do a little spin for you. I'm gonna regret this color once I want to change it, but for now, I'm very excited. But yeah, the top part, I mean, I already thought it was gonna happen, but like the blue, it was a little bit too light to cover everything in there. So for example, you can see some like purple bits in here. It kind of looks greenish here because my hair probably wasn't light enough over there. I think it was a little bit too yellow, so then it turned green. But honestly, I guess it's okay. I think I can live with it, and otherwise I'm just gonna dye it like a dark shade of blue, or I'm just going to dye it all one color. That's also a possibility. But for now, very happy with this. Very excited. Loves it. The state of my hair though, it's terrible. It's very dead. This is like the most damage it has been since I shaved all my hair off. Like, it's so bad, especially the ends, because the ends have been bleached, I think like 3 or 4 times now. So obviously they're not very alive anymore. But that's just part of my life, okay? Damaged hair is part of who I am, so it's all fine. I'm not going to shave all my hair off, okay? Don't worry. I actually like having hair right now. So I'm gonna keep it for now. But yeah, this was today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this hair. I hope you like it, because I did it for you. And also for myself, of course. But you want to have blue hair, so I have blue hair right now. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you all for watching. Ciao, ciao, kiss, kiss, bye, bye. Ciao, ciao.